Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you all so much for being here. This morning, we're going to take a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well, so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. All right, let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are in the green this morning. Currently, the Dow futures are up 0.5%, S&P 500 futures are up 0.49%, and the NASDAQ futures are currently up 0.37%. Bitcoin is trading above $62,000 this morning as investors eagerly await the launch of the first Bitcoin futures ETF. The Bitcoin Futures ETF will be launched by ProShares and give investors exposure to Bitcoin without having to hold the cryptocurrency directly. FISV has inked a deal to acquire Bento Box, a digital marketing and commerce platform focused on restaurants. Global financial services and payments provider FISV also has a cloud-based point-of-sale solution, Clover. Bento Box was founded in 2013 to enhance diner engagement and growth for restaurants with a best-in-class platform for website designing, online ordering, and marketing. Adding Bento Box to FISV's Clover dining solutions will enable its nearly 200,000 restaurants to deliver a smooth and differentiated experience for both physical and in-house dining. The FISV stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 30%. The PLBY Group has entered into an agreement to acquire the social platform Dream for $30 million. This will be paid in primarily the PLBY Group stock. PLBY Group will use the technological platform of Dream to develop its new curated and creator-led site, Centerfold. Centerfold is envisioned as a platform to empower creators with multiple formats of content creation and direct fan interaction, along with access to PLBY's vast repertoire of content. Analysts rate the PLBY stock a strong buy with an average upside of 66%. The Alibaba Group has unveiled new server chips for use in data centers and confirmed the development of proprietary servers that they've called Panju. Yidian 710 is the new chip that, together with the proprietary servers, will enhance cloud services. Additionally, it should help in optimizing computing performance and energy efficiency. The unveiling of the two is part of Alibaba's push to strengthen its computing capabilities. The proprietary servers, Panju, were specifically designed for the next generation of cloud-native infrastructure. Analysts rate the Alibaba stock a strong buy with an average upside of 48%. And IT firm CDW Corporation has signed an agreement to acquire Sirius Computer Solutions in a deal worth $2.5 billion. Sirius generated net sales of over $2 billion in 2020. It boasts of nearly 3,900 large and mid-sized customers. Its product portfolio includes cloud and managed services, digital and data innovation, security, and hybrid infrastructure. The company expects the transaction to boost its solutions and services capabilities significantly and improve its ability to solve customers' tech challenges. CDW anticipates the combined services portfolio to generate annual net sales of $1.3 billion, up from nearly $900 million in 2020. Their stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of 6.4%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the pre-market this morning, we'll be hearing from companies like Procter & Gamble and Halliburton, and in the after hours today, United Airlines and WD-40. On Wednesday, we'll be hearing from some big names like Verizon, Winnebago, IBM, and of course, Tesla. And Thursday also has some big names. We'll be hearing from Southwest and American Airlines, AT&T, Snap, and Intel. Just this morning, we heard from Johnson & Johnson, who came in with a beat on the earnings and a slight miss on revenues. For their third quarter, the company reported earnings per share of $2.60. This came in 24 cents better than the analyst estimates of $2.36. Their revenue for the quarter came in at $23.3 billion versus the consensus estimate of $23.74 billion. The company also raised their fiscal year guidance. Analysts rate the Johnson & Johnson stock a moderate buy with an average upside of over 17%. Last night, we heard from State Street, who came in with better than expected results for their third quarter. The company delivered a 7% year-over-year increase in revenue, which landed at $2.99 billion, exceeding the consensus estimates of $2.96 billion. The increase can be attributed to a 9% increase in fee revenue, confirming growth in all businesses. Their diluted earnings per share were up 35% year-over-year to $1.96, exceeding the estimates of $1.92. Analysts rate their stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 12%. Also coming in with solid third quarter results was Steel Dynamics, whose results were driven by strong domestic steel demand and the energy sector showing signs of recovery. The company reported adjusted earnings of $4.96 per share, much higher than the analyst estimates of $4.57 per share. Their net sales came in at $5.1 billion, up a whopping 118% year over year, and also surpassing Street's estimates of $4.98 billion. Analysts rate their stock a strong buy with an average upside of 31%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Harmony Biosciences. Under the ticker HRMY, they're currently up 18%, followed by RLX Technology under the ticker RLX, up over 6%, and Adagio Therapeutics under ADGI, up over 4%. Our biggest losers this morning are Atea Pharmaceuticals, whose shares are down after their COVID-19 treatment failed to meet study goals. Under the ticker AVIR, their shares are down 70% this morning, followed by DLocal under DLO, down 6%, and Taskus under TASK, down 4%. So that's going to be everything for Tuesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you back here next time.